Atkins Civil 3D video series, Road 7A, road section sample lines. This video illustrates A. Default sample line settings, B. Create sample line group, C. Create road section sample lines, D. Edit sample lines, and E. Sample more sources. Section sample lines are used to indicate locations along an alignment where cross-sections will be taken for plotting and for computing areas for the earthwork volume computation. Each alignment will have its own group of sample lines. Sample line defaults, settings, right-click drawing name, edit drawing settings, object layers, sample line, pick the current name. Scroll down to C3D, search sample for road, OK. Sample line labeling, pick the current. Scroll down to C3D road again, OK. OK. Right click sample lines, edit feature settings, default styles, pick the current style, SL road, OK. Label style, pick the current style. SL road, OK. Default name format, sample line name template, SL next counter, sample line lane group name, SLG parent alignment name, remove drive, add road, OK. OK. Expand sample lines, expand commands, right click create sample lines, edit command settings, default swath width, left swath width 50 feet, right swath width 50 feet, sampling increment, use sampling increments, true, increment relative to, absolute station, along tangents, curves, and spirals, 25 feet. Additional sample controls. At start range, true. At range end, true. All others are false. Miscellaneous. Lock to station, true. OK. Create sample line groups. Home ribbon, profile and section view panels. Sample line icons. For the alignment, press enter. Select Ken Crown from drop list. OK. In the dialog box, name, SLG parent dash road, sample line style, SL road, sample line label style, SL dash road, sample line layer, C3D surf dash sample road, alignment Ken Crown. Select data sources to sample, place check mark in all boxes, style, existing ground, OK. Ken Corridor Atkins, top and datum surfaces, road section layer, existing surface, C road section, Ken Corridor, C3D corridor section, top and datum surface, C road section, OK. In Sample Line Tools dialog box, select arrow next to Sample Line Creation Methods icon by range of station. Alignment, check to ensure it's the correct alignment. From alignment start, false. Start station, 1085.01, which is a first region start station. To alignment end, false. End station, 3949.16, which is the last region end station. Check the other parameters that they are correct, which was previously set in the defaults. Swath width, sampling increments, additional sample controls. OK. It may take 10 to 20 seconds for the sample lines to appear. Escape. The stations of each sample line is shown. For this video, all side road sample lines have been created using the procedures similar to Kincaid. For side roads south of Kincaid, 9+00.01 was used for the start station and 9+64 at the BCR for the end station, except that Ufus Drive 9+56 was used for the BCR end station. For side roads north of Kincaid, 10+36 was used for the ECR start station and 10+99.99 for the end station, except that 49th north 10+42 was used for the ECR start station. Sample line editing procedures. Pick the sample line to be edited. Pick the diamond grip at the center to move the sample line along the alignment. Pick the triangle grip at either end to move the sample line either inward or outward. Pick the square grip to rotate the sample line about the center line. Control Z to undo. The spacing between sample lines should be approximately a maximum of 25 feet and a minimum of 10 feet. Place location of sample lines visually. Do not be too concerned about stationing. Sample lines along the primary road at an intersection should be located at or near a BCR, at or near the side road ETW. The swath width of the primary road sample line should be terminated at the BCR-ECR sample line for the side road. Add sample lines to an existing group. Home ribbon, sample lines. For the alignment, press Enter. Pick from drop list, Ken Crown. OK. Specify stations along alignment will appear. Pick the desired location for the sample line. Depress Enter to accept the left swath width or enter a value. Depress Enter to accept the right swath width. Pick additional stations as desired. Escape when finished. At the current time, the only sources that can be sampled are the corridor and the existing top and datum surfaces. At a later time, additional sources can be sampled, including storm, sewer, and water pipe networks. To sample more sources, if the sample lines are visible, pick a sample line in the desired group. In a context-sensitive ribbon, pick Group Properties, Sections tab, Sample More Sources button. Escape. If sample lines are not present, Prospector, Alignments, Centerline Alignments, Ken Crown, Sample Line Groups. Right-click the Ken Crown Sample Line Group, Properties, Sections tab, Sample More Sources. In the Section Sources dialog box, select each desired available source to be added. At present, there is none. After selection, depress Add key. You need to depress Apply before OK. Then depress OK. OK. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.